Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start now. You'll do quick physical and software checks first so you don't chase the wrong problem. Clean the home or side sensor and your finger with a lint-free cloth. Once done, remove the case or screen protector because coverage can block capacitive sensing. Restart the iPhone to clear transient glitches, then go to Settings and update iOS if an update is available. Make sure your finger is dry and free of cuts or heavy lotion, because moisture and oils interfere with the sensor. Next, you'll address software configuration and biometric data so the sensor learns correctly. Delete any existing fingerprints and register new ones, capturing multiple angles of the same finger. This improves reliability because Touch ID maps ridge data from several passes. Then toggle Touch ID uses off and back on for iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and the iTunes/App Store to refresh permission settings. If issues continue, reset all settings to restore defaults without erasing content. This removes corrupt system settings that can block Touch ID. Finish with hardware diagnosis and final software recovery steps so you either resolve it or know what to replace. Inspect the sensor for visible damage and test Touch ID with different fingers, and if possible, another iPhone to compare. This tells you whether the fault is the phone or the finger. If software fixes failed, perform a DFU restore after backing up. This reinstalls firmware and iOS. If problems persist or the sensor is damaged, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center for professional replacement. Don't attempt soldering or unofficial repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.